double dubbing. And the horse. Thirty-seven horses. I need a horse too. Horse is 318, 3 down. Hey, 3 down.
37 horses, and the first of all for both flash games is 45. Thank you to that last winner. 67.
33.
33.
Ay, puro 1 yung number ko, labo.
6.
68.
68. 61.
Ano horse niya, ma'am?
10.
18. Oh, pare-pareho.
18.
Dapat tumabas.
63.
Oh. Come on, look at my horse right there. Down line.
70. 75.
Whew, 20 ano ka? 95.
24. 73.
3. Ay, 4. 48. Need a 48 to
4.
beyond. 47.
47.
Ayan, look. The 25.
25. 69. 44.
Oh, yeah, 1. Come on, 1. 17 and
1.
39. 1. Right there. 13.
13.
39.
23.
Maybe 48.
42.
Oh. 48.
53.
Ayan, I'm on. 3. Sa kabayo ko. Right there. I'm on. 3.
48.
I need 3, guys. 3. 3. Down line 3.
38.
Oh, shoot. 38, 39, 17.
39.
17. 62.
62.
3. Come on, 3. 17 and 3. Ako puro ko 17 and 3.
55.
Come on, yeah, there you go. 17, 17, 17. There you go, 17.
56.
17 at saka 3 ako.
30. Fast holding on 30.
Ay, sayang ang double dubby, no? Puro na ako sa 37 horses. Come on, 37 double dubbing is done. I'm on na sana. I'm on 17. Ay.
Good luck over 30 in the pattern. Any others for double jacket? Going once, twice. How many times game is closed? One lucky winner, $500. We'll continue with 37 horses. Basketball 30, basketball 49.
Come on, 3.
29.
Come Come on, 3, 3, 3. Behind it, 3. Blue, 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 3.
66.
3. Oh.
15.
Ano puro niyo, ma? Ha? Matapos na yan.
40.
Matapos na yung double dubbing.
Moving on, 40 motion cards.
Ayan o, double time. 10 down. Ay,